Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic operating system. So let's get started. Which page replacement algorithm suffers from Bilaty's anomaly, where increasing the number of page frames can result in more page faults? The correct answer is option A, FIFO, first in, first out. Internal fragmentation is a common problem associated with which of the following memory management schemes? The correct answer is option B, paging. The banker's algorithm is primarily used in operating systems for which purpose? The correct answer is option C, deadlock avoidance. Thrashing occurs in an operating system when the correct answer is option D. The system spends more time paging than executing. External fragmentation can be eliminated by which of the following techniques? The correct answer is option A, compaction. Where is the translation look-aside buffer, TLB, typically located? The correct answer is option B, inside the memory management unit, MMU. In RAID terminology, RAID level 0 refers to which technique? The correct answer is option C, disk striping. What does the wait, or P operation on a semaphore do when the semaphore value is greater than 0? The correct answer is option D, decrements the value. A page fault is an exception raised by the hardware when the correct answer is option A. A program accesses a page not currently mapped in the main memory. What is the primary advantage of using an inverted page table? The correct answer is option B. It reduces the amount of physical memory needed to store page tables. Which disk scheduling algorithm selects the request with the minimum distance from the current head position? The correct answer is option C, SSDF. Which of the following is a mandatory requirement for a solution to the critical section problem? The correct answer is option D, all of the above. In memory management, the scheme that supports the user's view of memory as a collection of logical units, like functions or objects, is called. The correct answer is option A, segmentation. Which of the following is one of the 4 necessary conditions for a deadlock to occur? The correct answer is option B, circular wait. An address generated by the CPU is referred to as a. The correct answer is option C, logical address. Which file allocation method ensures that there is no external fragmentation and that files can grow easily, but suffers from slow random access? The correct answer is option D, linked allocation. Dynamic linking is a technique that the correct answer is option A, postpones linking of libraries until execution time. The working set of a process is defined as the correct answer is option B, the set of pages referenced by the process in the most recent delta time interval. In a page table entry, what is the purpose of the dirty bit, modify bit? The correct answer is option C, to indicate if the page has been modified since it was loaded into memory. A spillock is a type of synchronization mechanism where the correct answer is option D. The process loops continuously while waiting for the lock to become available. Which memory allocation strategy chooses the smallest hole that is large enough to satisfy the request? The correct answer is option A, best fit. In a resource allocation graph, if a cycle exists and each resource type has exactly one instance, then the correct answer is option B. A deadlock definitely exists. What happens when a TLB miss occurs? The correct answer is option C. The CPU must look up the page table in main memory. A monitor in the context of process synchronization is the correct answer is option D. A high-level language construct that provides equivalent functionality to semaphores. RAID Level 1 is commonly known as the correct answer is option A, mirroring. What is the main advantage of first fit over best fit in memory allocation? The correct answer is option B. It is generally faster as it stops at the first available hole. Demand paging is a system where the correct answer is option C. A page is brought into memory only when it is needed during execution. The physical address is the address seen by the The correct answer is option D, memory unit. Overlays are used to The correct answer is option A, run a program that is larger than the physical memory. The scan disk scheduling algorithm is also known as the The correct answer is option B, elevator algorithm. Thank you for watching.